then on the lamina, on the left side, whew, then I go through. Looking for that opening, and then go. Whew. So it's right here. So right there, boom. So we just delivered the T8 through the T9 facet. You see the breath change as soon as we adjust. Anterior rotation, so right here. There it is. Good. So we're right here, C3, C4 on the left, and so we're gonna go ahead and adjust this. And again, that was just coming through just the C3, C4 facet on the left side. So I'm listening through my hands, through my heart, boom. So T1, T2, occiput, distraction. And I'm gonna drive down this way at the sacrum. Good. So I'm bringing the spine to neutral, rolling the system as a group, gonna pull that L2 off the L1. A little bit higher, T10 actually, right there. There we go. And when I adjusted that T10, I felt actually the cord release at the conus medullaris. So we're going mainly posterior to anterior, which is back to forward, so right there. So I'm focusing my energy and force right through there, get initial distraction. There it was. Whew. I'm also noticing that the cuneiform is stuck right here. There we go. Then lateral movement of lean, and then I to S traction, boom, through the entire system. Take a breath in, and let it go, let it out, right there. There we go, it's right there. There it is, right there. Whew. The occiput to make an adjustment. There we go. Right there. Good. And so released at T11. And then I actually roll the body as an entire group. So still not creating any torque besides the compression I have on the ilium. And then rolling the body as a group. Then right there, it finds this little fixation point. So now I'll let the whole system drop. I got it engaged here. There we go. A calcaneal adjustment right on the medial border. Gonna lift it off this way. There it is. So that was just the C7 on T1, and then through the left side facet on C4, C5. So here. And so that means that you can get relief in certain areas without ever touching that area. Perfect, right there. Breathe, and out. Ooh. Roll right here. That's already starting to move. Went through the entire base of the sacrum. When you bend the knees, it takes pressure off the low back, which allows you to connect a little bit more to the mid-back. Ooh. Ooh. For Kate, we're actually going to adjust the C2, C3 body, and it's going to move on the C4. Boom. So you can see how it sounds different. You know, so I have a different size hand than most people, and she has a different size spine, and so that felt clean. And I'm going to drive just through that dot. We're going to roll here, breath here. Let it out. Right there. Sweet. So we got a slight dorsiflexion, making a connection through one dot, getting a distraction, and then going. I'm just going to use a pinky contact here. Just be adjusting C2 on C3 on this right side. Still something needed to be served at the C5.